Hi, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you some special carrot juice. Well, let's see what we need for this. Carrot, grape, honey, lemon and drinking water. Okay, first we have to put carrot into blender. Okay, right now grape. And I have to tell to you, don't forget to remove these seeds, otherwise it will get bitter taste. So please remove the seed. And lemon juice, and finally honey. You need to add little more honey. Okay. Actually one seed of lemon, so definitely need to remove, otherwise definitely will get bitter taste. See? Okay. And final water, drinking water. Okay, I am going to blend this all the ingredients. Okay, I think now everything is done. See how is it? Nice color. Okay, I am going to strain it right now. It's little small pieces have there. Okay guys, see my carrot juice. How is it?